Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to this vlog at very special. And guys, I thank God for the gift of life. So right now, as you can see, the weather right now, it's so changeable. As you can see, somehow moderate, somehow like you can see right here from other side, it's gonna rain right now. But on this side, man, thank you so much for the love and support, and I really appreciate. So I'm heading this way. And this is my house. This is how it looks like. But on today's vlog, it depends how I'm rolling these videos. But I will join the videos that I do in the morning. So it's somehow like the day it looks like fog or mist, like in the morning. So you can't see maybe how things goes here. But actually, I'm on the process of buying material and there. So on today's, I'm heading to Border Town. I want to buy some bags of cement, and then I left there. Anyway, guys, let's go. I wear the shoes like this. This is my shoes here. You have water here. Hey, let me see. Maybe they use some other means. So we have the maize corn right here. You can see this is the maize corn. I'm telling you, this is what my mama harvests from the farm. You see right here, and there are two bags of maize, 2 sacks bags of maize. You can see that one here. You have another one right there. So maize like this is the staple food that we have here in our village. And most of the time, farming is our backbone. I'm telling you. Let me cover. Wow. And this is the small rounder here that we have. Although right now it's wet. Wow. Hey. So we have sardines here. We have tomatoes. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Hey guys, today you can't see my mama because today no more sun here. Since morning it's freezing, so they tried to cook ugali. Well guys, for me 24 hours I'm shooting video with my mama here, and I'm showing you what my mom she's doing. Right now she was preparing lunch time. So mom, niko kwa ile harakati ya kununua material hapana pale. So today I'm going to buy 8 bag of cement, 8 to 7 bag. So step by step. Pole pole. Say pole pole, ma'am.
Pole pole.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
To Hello Baby.
Hello Baby.
To
Hello Baby.
Guys, you've heard from my mama and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Learn to 10k subscriber. I really appreciate. So this is how our small kitchen looks like. And as I showing you outside, we have the maize corn direct from the farm. And maize corn is the staple food that we have here. So we take them, you grind in the partial mill, you have the flour. So right now we make ugali right here. I'm showing you the flour, guys, don't mind. This is the flour here. You see it right there? That's the flour. That one. So we make white ugali. Hey, mama. And then we have sardines here. We have tomatoes. Hey. And there is a time, guys, I cook fish for my family. I'm telling you. And my mama, she was testing how her son cook the fried fish. Me, I'm learning how my mama do things here and there. See how they're rolling ugali. Wow. Okay, mama. I'm coming later.
Aye.
Yeah, pick.
Sawa.
So guys, I left to get to be cooked. Maybe after border town I'll come and eat later. Guys, sorry, today no more lights, like no more sun. That's how things they are here. But since morning it's somehow like I want to say fog or mist. So I made a videos while my brother and my neighbor tried to plow in the shamba. Shamba is a Swahili word, it means land. Wow. Let's go. We have avocado trees, avocado fruits over here. You can tell in the comment section. We have plenty of them. Look. All of these is avocado fruits. And my baby is just right there waiting me. I'm heading this way. I want to confirm whether this pizza train it's clean. Actually, we maintain cleanness, guys. I'm telling you. So today it's a crazy day. Like you'll never see me like clear, too much clear, because no sun. You can't tell. So I came to check this pizza train. This is the outside toilet, but in the future I'm going to build my mama the private one. Whoa, man, look, it's gonna rain. But guys, sorry for this on today's vlog. Actually, around my village the vlog will suffer because right now no sun. If maybe you have somebody who, like yesterday he made a video, they're lucky enough. So I came to check here because I've been said earlier, like I'm wearing these sandals here. Right, you have the brush there, we have the mop and bucket, we have the squeezer. Oh man, it's clean. It's clean. It's clean. And for me, I feel so good when I came here because, guys, without you, we couldn't have something like this. So it's my principle to come here and check the toilets whether it's clean, because we spend a lot of money to put tiles, to put sink, to put everything. And man, it's by God's grace. I'm telling you, it's by God's grace. And right now, I'm heading to border town. I want to make some payment of the cement here and there. Chukuliana sweater. Ah? Nichukulia sweater. So look here. Let's take you outside so it's clean, you know. Hygiene are very important, guys. Maybe for my premiere again you get these videos or not yet. So right now I'm 50-50. You will get or not yet because the weather can't allow it. Let's see by tomorrow how the weather will be. So guys, guess what? The reason why I put this small ram here, I know maybe later on I'm going to build my mama dream house, and that's the reason why I put this ram here. When the time reach, they will start come back to the ground and then put the concrete slab to revelize. After all plumbing done and everything, we put this one, we put the hardcore stones, we come back to this one, and then we done plumbing. After plumbing, we smear like concrete balanced. You know. So let's go this way and see, guys. Well, guys, first time buying cement for my mama dream house. I'm telling you. And the blocks which I'm going to buy in Nairobi is the same size of this one that you see here. So within short period of time, the house of my mom could run like crazy. I'm telling you. For the first time, guys, I'm going to make the payment of cement. I'm telling you guys, if I get 1 bag of cement, I appreciate. If I get 2 bags, I appreciate, you know, like step after step. No pressure on that. And for me, I'm just focused with my own thing. Oh, nowadays my hair look like Shagara Burger. Go. Oh. But we flow with the vibe. So anyway, let's do this. Imagine right now we have the balance stones right there. Over on the other side we have the hardcore ground. So right now I'm not maybe have maybe business with buying maybe the big stones for the ground. That one there, imagine. I have the balance stones, and this one I'll add later. Let me take you around. Look at the structure over there. We continue putting things in order. So I'm running with time, and I'm going to make the payment. One of our hardware in the border town known as Manchester Enterprise Highway. So we have the stones. You can tell in the comment section. This is what I was going through, buying stones here and there. Imagine, slowly until I finish up. And then let's see the next step. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Look. And guys, to be honest, sorry, yesterday on Dave Junior's videos, I saw one of the comments. One of our good subscribers said that all of these stones goes to $60. No, I'm telling you, one trip like this one here cost $60. Next trip, calculate. We have around here we have 6 trip times $60. Imagine, you could have around $400, things like that. $400 within here. Wait, fresh. That's the maize corn. So I think I could go to my neighbor to see how the progress have been going through for making bricks. So this is home. And guys, please, on today's vlog, go, if you're watching these videos till the end, subscribe to Felicitas. Every videos I'll tag her so she can able to improve in terms of subscriber. Guys, she need your help by subscribing the videos. Roro, naenda wapi? Ngoma yao yote. I avoid music. So guys, go and check her. I appreciate. Like she was doing village lifestyle in terms of maybe cooking videos, showing you village lifestyle, maybe sometime traveling. I will tag her the link here. In case I got new member on my YouTube channel, please go and subscribe to her channel. The way you're supporting me by subscribing, just show her some love by subscribing. And maybe tomorrow I will host her on my channel again, step by step, because like to improve in terms of subscriber. Imagine, guys, today, look how the weather looks like. So like I see a little bit sun from there, but I didn't understand. And I'm heading this way. I want to see my neighbor who makes some bricks, but I'm waiting the guy over there who was making for me the veranda around on my Mari house there. So he's just over there. Michael, stay. He was coming with a wheelbarrow. His name was Michael. If you're watching these videos and you share with that guy his name like Michael, drop it on the sweet comment here. I'm ready to see. But me, I hope you see me clear, guys. I was complaining, guys. It's a hard day. Oh, it's a hard day in my village. It could be the title. I was waiting this guy. Hayukuye ready job.
Babu.
Ah. Wadiji. Oh, stand. I'm helping him, guys, to hold this metal here. Asa hapo. Unaenda nyumbani? Kungu na report. Okay. Wow. Wana umusoki?
Masoki islabu yare.
Ati ni nyumba gatebe?
Islabu inyana na gatebe. Sasa.
Mchono achu? Jumatatu nulia. Okay guys, one of these days I'll pass and then I'll show you where he was working. And I know that project it's for T_traveler. She was helping one of our grandma around the village here. Probably I'll show you maybe on Monday when I'm making the video. Wow. I'm helping her carrying this.
Now you can pass.
Yeah?
Now you can pass.
Hi.
Kama leo naweza pass uone kazi.
And I think you're at the bit.
Nitakuwa niki
Sana hapo kwa dega.
Ndio kwa sasa 12.
Ndio saa 12.
Saa 12 nitafika sasa na tayarisha material. Naanza
Oh, okay. So, okay, he was heading this way. I am. Why don't I check in? Now take us not to encore. Aye, and that's go TV. So guys, so the guy who make for me some veranda here and there. So let's go. But imagine our home is right there, over there. And I was going to my neighbor to check the process of making bricks here and there. I'm telling you guys, today it's our hard day today because no more sun here. You can tell in the comment section, no more sun. On the other side, you have banana plantation known as matoke. All of that. Let's go. Imagine on this land, we have one of the bungalow house. Imagine, I'm telling you. Look. I hope maybe you can see the house right there. Let me check the progress here. So guys, I'm remaining with $100 to close the chapter. Imagine all the way from $400 up to $100. So I've already made the payment of $300. I'm remaining with $100 to close the chapter. What's a good day? I keep rolling this camera to the end. So I want to check my neighbor. Hey, I've read me. So when I'm saying blocks running outside and then bricks inside, I mean blocks this one over here. I mean blocks this one over here, and one, like, each block goes to 85 shillings Kenyan money each, and then I would have around 1,400. It could be around the house. So the bricks could be maybe partition of the rooms here and there. Well, so this is the bricks over here. Oh, boy. So guys, I'm heading this way. Oh yeah, fresh. So these are the blocks over here. So I went there, and guys, sorry, I don't mind its business, because I'm mad of that boy. Like, he chased me, like she didn't like to shoot the camera. You heard? But anyway guys, sorry for that. So I want to make the payment and then I run out of that place. So you see this house, guys, over here. Even I changed the route. Let me go home. See that house? Let's go. This is a septic tank here. Septic here. Let me pass this way. That mom made her day to be hard. Even I changed the routes. Let's go. These are torn fence here. Imagine. That's the situation that I pass here and there. And you can see how our neighbor built the house over there. Wow. Oh, there's a reaper here. My mama plants some kales here. You can see. Wow. That's a bungalow house right there. So in our village here, no competition of building the house. Probably you can do your own things. Even me, no competition. I supposed to show you the bricks, how that guy make the steps, but her mother tried to bring some conflict between I and the blocks. Her son said, blocks, it's mine. Like bricks, it's mine. Her mother, she refused. She don't want me to to shoot the camera. And I said, okay, you pay the rest, the money the remaining. But probably, guys, I want to pay the $100 the remaining, and then I take my bricks, I run from there. So she make my day to be hard. I'm telling you. And I'm going to pay the cement here and there. So to be a good son, as hello baby, I don't like conflict between my family and my neighbor. So I ran off that place. Even I can't show you, I didn't show you maybe inside the bricks, inside the house. So maybe I'll go there when I have $100 to make the payment. I take my bricks and ready to go. Hey, blackjack, touch me. Look, this blackjack. Look. Right. Even I want to tell my mama that I went there. Her mom, for that girl who make for me bricks, chased me away. Like, no camera here. Go your home. For me, no idea, guys. He made my day to be hard. Mom. Hey. You are eating. In silence. Mama, nimeenda pale kwa Robi. Ganya kwa bara angambi kataruhano.
Robi.
Kwa matafari hara. Gani utemerichi video handi. Mutega no achorebe. Guys, I came to tell my mama what incident happened to me. Mereni.
Robi ayo.
Robi ayo angambi katigate me matafari na gae. Nakwa abantu ne wonkuri kurate. Imagine, guys, I was telling mama in Swahili, in your vernacular language, that I went there. I went there and I want to show you my project, but her mama, for that boy or that man making for me bricks, she refused. No, go away, go far away. I will start making you a chaos here and there. I said, Mom, because I respect you, let me go. Right. What the end story? So, Mama, Mama, I will pay 10,000 the remaining. I want to take my bricks and you go. Mbaka Robi amesema, Mama, matafani yake achapiga video. Mtigire para pahenda nyako hapo. Let me go, Mama. You just, I don't like conflict. I'm telling my mama, no more conflict. Mama, what tell story? We good? Sama? Yeah. Mama, tell me the story. Because, yeah, I'm telling my mama to avoid the conflict. Imagine, guys, I wanted to show you my project, how things goes, and then one of our village mama chased me away with no reason, man. If I could maybe the same age with her, I could fight, but she was the age of my mama. I respect older people than me, but I feel so sad, and she made my day to be hard. Imagine, guys. So why should I, for me, I promote her son, we negotiate the price of bricks. He make for me bricks, I pay him money, and then her mother came with, okay, I'll start making you kills. Oh, I said, Mom, no, let me go. And that's the end of the story. Let me go to Border Town. I want to go and make the payment of cement, guys. So let me take the jacket inside here. At a time, guys, I feel so mad. Anyway, guys, welcome to my house. And this is how my house looks like. Where is the key of the motorbike? Anyway, guys, we shall meet outside where I'm taking my bike and doing everything, guys. Guys, right now I'm heading to Border Town, and that being said, I'm going to make the payment of cement. Aina shida. Let's go. Imagine, guys, all the way from home up to Border Town. That's how things they are here. See over here. Wow. Let's go and see. Imagine a woman, a mother in the village, made my day to be hard. I'm going to see my project, and she refused. She chased me away from her son place. But for me, I don't care. I'll make the payment of $100 and then I'll go back. I'll take my bricks and then no business on that place. We have a cheaper school here, local school. Ooh. But I'll join the rest of the videos which I make very early in the morning, so you will see how our day looks like in the morning. That's how we go up to border town. Imagine, guys, for making the payment of cement, step by step, guys. If I have one bag of cement, if I have maybe the money for one bag of cement, I make the payment and I appreciate. That's how I keep, maybe make some steps here and there. Here and there. No more crying. The kid is fetching water. No, they're cooking oil. I mean. Wow. Let's go. Guys, what do you think about in the comment section? Should I take the bricks which I make the payment? But think about with your hands. Wow. This is the dump site here. I normally use this road as a shortcut going to border town with my bike. Wow. So I'm almost to approach the tarmac road, as you can see right here. Tarmac road for you. Let's connect the border of Kenya and Tanzania. See even that road. Wow. Maybe maybe, guys, I don't want, maybe when the time reach, I want to build the house, like no more cement, crying here and there. But all in one, we keep pushing. This is a Roman Catholic church over here. Hey, timber. That's Roman Catholic church. People are making blocks. You see right there? The blocks. And then have another one here. That one there. Border town. Can you see this place? It's a new shell, V-Power shell over here. So this video, it goes up to border town. And the truck is coming. Hey, you see that truck? We have another one here. Have a bulldozer. Down there. Going to the mining place. Look, even that guy. Wow. So this is border town, guys. For you, like, no time with negativity, I'm telling you. So right now I'm heading to border town. I want to make the payment of cement. Grab the tractor. Wow. This is border town for you. I was making my motorbike right there. Guys, today it's a market day in border town, so that's why you see most of the people up and down. You can tell people, you can tell in the comment section. Up and down. Let's go. Have the bank right there. Oh. The police car here. That's the main con right there. Guys, I want to make the payment here of the cement. Odi, wewe simiti mifuko 8 lakini kaya mpaka sio nitakuja. So ndaenda na risiti kisha nije tufungue kitabu. Niliongea na baba.
Sawa, ina
shilingi ngapi?
Mfuko 8 7,200.
7,200. Aqui, é beira. I want to make the payment here. I want to make. I have the money here. This utaniparistia here. Hiyo shilingi ngapi? Kwa mfuko si 900. Hey, times 7.
7 kama na 8.
Oh, times 8.
Times 8.
Hey.
Ndio 7,200.
Yani shilingi ngapi? Inabaki change yangu shilingi ngapi?
Wewe ndo unaongeza 1,000.
Again here, we sign a contract. Every month, I'll make the payment of cement, and then there's my book there. So when the time reach, I want to build the house. My work is to pick the cement day by day. I signed the contract with him here. So when the time reach, I want to build the house. You see this guy taking my cement to the site. You want to make the deal for blocks?
Yeah.
Now. Ibroki munirenga.
Yeah.
Kama mabroku 700 nirengo rande.
Yes, so hiyo mpaka nikae na mwenzangu tuongee ndio.
Sawa. You sit. As you make the deal, I'll come.
I'll tell you.
Okay. Guys, it's morning here and I'm wearing these gumboots. See, maybe people will ask me, hello baby, what's up? And I'm telling you guys, look how the weather looks like. And not like the same day that I'm shooting the videos, but today I'm shooting this video very early in the morning, and I'll combine for the next videos, but because of time here and there, actually last night we have a lot of rain here and there. You can see, man, so it's totally cold, I'm telling you. So I'm wearing the gumboot, and you see I'm heading to. In case you're new here, guys, and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. This is your time to subscribe. Telling me I see my mama. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning to you.
Yes, guys, it's morning here. I'm telling you, look how things change here. And I'm wearing the gumboot. Then Rosongo. Look, guys. So that being said, it's not our normal day. So somehow, most of the farmer right now is the season of planting, plowing, because we almost to approach January. No, to approach February, guys. Sorry for the mistake, and sorry for my tongue mistake. I'm heading this way. I want to show you guys. Look how very in the morning looks like. Whew. Oh my god, oh my god, I'm telling you. And on this side you have the kales, green collar. I'm wearing the gumboots, and no idea on this, even I forget to wear the jacket. But the place I'm heading to, I'm gonna show you guys. Please stay tuned to the end, watch these videos if you haven't subscribed. But maybe you meet this video at the end of the videos, because it's quite morning, and you can't see maybe from the far end. Maybe you see within, and no sunny. I'm telling you, here my mama and my brother and my neighbor wake up in the morning, came to the farm around 3 a.m. in the morning. You can see they plow here. Look, they plow here. I think maybe you can see them from the far end right there. So technically, because it was a kind of a night, so I can't film maybe in a dark. So right now I want to show you how they plow. Look, so right now they want to plant maize. Actually, this is my brother's project. So he went to school, he left some money, and he paid the money of this land, so we do everything. And today's on Saturday. I'm shooting these videos very early in the morning. And according to me, it's an incredible story over here. Guys, I'm telling you, over here, this is my brother, this is my neighbor. Say hello, mother. Hey, my brother, say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Yes, we have the I think these are plow jembe. Also, we have 2 oxen right there, so they want to go. So that's how they plow. I'm telling you. Are they like this, man? To shoot our videos in the morning, it's incredible story from here. See? And you must be very strong like my brother. Also, I know how to plow. I will show you. So this is the real life in our village here. Nothing changed, nothing to be hide. Man, look. because of this day no sunny, morning like this, you can't see maybe, but we feel with vibe. Look. You see, guys, so it's going up to that way. So it's about how much more. Maybe on Sunday I'll show you. See? Wow. We're live. Tango temekona tanando. Tango temekona. Usengo mama nemba kanzi.
Bakansi.
Hai marahi. Gojo.
Awan. Tagiringe ke kobe.
So they make a mistake. Look, there are 2 bulls right here. Well, guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's vlog. Can you give a like, comment, and also share the videos. I will hold the djembe, guys, don't mind, but I'm trying to show you how life in the village is. I was waiting this day, and actually the time reached. See? Yo! Means go out. Yo! Yo, come on, time. Yo! You do like that way. Imagine 2 bulls. I know most of the places they're gonna use tractor to plow the farm or the garden or the shamba. Shamba means Swahili words, means land, like this one here. Wow. What you? Hey, yo. Guys, what do you think about in the comment section? Should I take the control? Should I take the control right now? But let's go like 3 times, and then I'll take the control. That's what. Wow. And you must have the partner who control the cow, as my brother maybe take the control. Takwara go check, telling them to return that one because it's full. Chiri! Back. Chini means it's down on that line, so they can't make a mistake. Let's go! Go! No bullying of the cow, so they try to. I want wondering get on 60 not 10. Wow. See, guys, look. Village life. That's my brother coming there. I'm telling you, it's a quiet morning, but you understand. Wow. Yeah. Let's go. I'm not about again. Guys, I hope you see these videos clear, but I don't want to shoot too long videos because it's quite morning here, and maybe sometime even I myself you can't see clear. Probably I shoot a little bit as we go. When it reaches that way, coming this way, I will take the control. Bro. Today, man, it's a kind of cold. Look, because I know I was coming to take a control here. That's the reason why I didn't wear the jackets. But you see, for our rest of my brother and my neighbor, wearing the jacket. Let's go. Village life here, not what we expected. Yeah, that's how we prepare the land very early in the morning. That's how we prepare the land. We prepare our land, and I'm on gumboots. You see? There was. I want to take the control a little bit as you. Tell me the one sometimes. What? So I want to take the control. Covers. Hiya, let's go. I'm on the control, guys. I know these things. I'm telling you. You see, guys, how things go. Good. Wow. Go. Uringanya momoleka eh. Utogota munchi ngombe. Tari ha. Better. Aya guys. Guys, that's how we do. Show people on gumboots. Show people. That's the gumboots, man. Wow. Amazing day. Hiya! Go! Hiya! That's how we do, guys. I'm telling you. It's quite morning here. Hello baby's outside with 2 bulls, and it's a crazy day. Plowing early in the morning like this. Push. Go. 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 That's what I'm going to get in video. I'm going to go to the Stare. Kuja. Fire! Go. Let's go. Kora kazo mpaka nichimwambe kuya.
Akatakambera.
Shigo. Watando anyuma. Tangira anyuma kimwe sana. Bakera kora kana magambo. Hayo.
Chobona.
Haya. Let's go. They're under control. I'm telling you guys, today's a bad day. It's a crazy day. It's raining here. Wow. Sorry. Sorry. You see, guy? Jump. Wow, you go. Hey, hey, let's go. You go. I'm looking for and go to it again. Wow, I'm on the control, guys. I'm telling you. I can't. You. Nothing could hide. No problem, guys. I'm on the control. I'm telling you, I know these things. Show people down how I do things here. You see, that was the watch. Wow! Wow! Wow, let's go! Sorry! Wow! Guys, I'm telling you, it's heavy. You see there? Oh, we go. Eh. Come down. Did it. What's it? Wow. Yes, come down. Little life now, village here, guys. You may say the answer. Push. Wow. It's actually very good. Hey. Hiya. Hey. I'm running. You work constantly make the other. Sorry. Push it. Sorry. Hiya. Let's go. Wow. I'm cutting a coming now. Wow, wow, wow. God. Oh. Woo. You sit there, guy. What? Push. That's how you do things here. That's how we go. Ora dinga nyuma kibungu kumba kiko. What? Ojuju. Alright, guys.
Well, look.
Go. So my brother was the cameraman, but that being said, I didn't get it. So I have the electric grass here. Anyway, guys, I know most of the country, like Philippines, they use buffalo to plow their garden or their land, but in our village here we use the cow. That's really nice, man. We use the cow, and you must be very, very strong. Imagine if you're watching this video from the Philippines, please comment down, come down. All right. Okay, that's my brother. You must be very, very strong, and no smooth hand, like no smooth hand. Must have like rough hand. So we're outside. They want to finish this part only. They went maybe tomorrow. Down. I'll show you. See, right? Wow. All right. Hey guys, I feel so cold. I'm supposed to wear the jacket, so let me go back home. Like, sorry guys, sometimes we do. It's like to talk to the cow. Let's go. You see? Hey. No, I'm sana. I'm telling that guy don't beat the cow again. Down. Hey, I am niendere ni kulima. Sawa? Yeah guys, I'm telling them you just continue plowing because they want to finish that small place. So tomorrow they would come back. Hey man, I'm telling you. Wow. So man, it's cold. So let me go and take the sweater. You heard even the cock. It's quite morning here and there. Man, I'm freezing, man. But anyway, guys, we flow with vibe to the end. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Share my videos to your friend, to your family. Let's support Elobebe Official by watching the video. Guys, sorry. I hope maybe you can see me clear right now. Stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. So right now I'm freezing. I'm rushing to the house. Wow. To see how the day will go. But these videos, I'll join for the rest of the videos. Actually, you heard? So it's quite morning here. Mr. Cock, once more. There's the cock right there. Wow. So let's go. So finally I'm back home. I'm from the shamba. Today's a shamba day here. And I wake up in the morning, no sun, look. And it's a freezing day. So that's the reason why I'm rushing, coming back home. Guys, thank you so much. We shall meet on the next video, guys. It depends. Maybe this one could be the last one, or it could be follow after the introduction. It depends, guys. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm just over here. I bought the helmet for the protective gear. Actually, look, this is the front mirror. Like, we have another one here. You see that one there? So guys, I take your comments seriously, and right now no more struggling of the helmet. And then I'm in with the chest guard. Hey, Mia. So guys, over here we have the food. So that's how I end my day, like this. Have beans, have veggies, have rice. I'm telling you. So right now I'm in Tanzania, and I came to buy this helmet. So maybe by tomorrow you will see hello baby like that. No more crying. Zimetosha mimi. No more crying, guys. And then I do like this. Oh. Alright guys. So let me enjoy the food here. Try to imagine. let me do like this. That's my helmet. So try to imagine this all food that you see here goes to $1. Imagine life in Tanzania, not to be expected, guys. If you have $100, you can stay 1 month. Wow, so let me enjoy that food. These beans here. I know. And he was the guy who make for me a motorbike, I'm telling you. We enjoy, guys. Yeah. Imagine, guys, $1, $2, and plus sodas goes to $3. Imagine all food that you see here. So, guys, let me enjoy the food. Since morning, I eat right now. Wow, guys, thank you so much. We shall meet on the next video. I'm launching my helmet, brand new. Kwanda ko tena katara kara kami kamano. Jiro ni chimfek ye. Eh? So this is my helmet, guys, for my protection of my head, guys. So stay tuned. We shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow, guys. Much greeting. Bye.